Today we are going to see how to create a gallery with this kind of flipping effect. Okay, so whenever we hover on the card, the image flips itself and shows another image on the background, or even we can show text after flipping. So we can use this kind of gallery in product images or our portfolios or any other spaces. So let's see how it is created. So first we will see in HTML code. So this is a very basic HTML code that we can see. The primary div that we have is gallery, and inside gallery we have multiple card divs. So inside card div we have card inner, and inside inner we have card front and card back. So card front will have front side image, and card back will have back side image. Okay, the similar structure we follow in another card as well, and the card inner, card front and card back. The only difference is here in card front we have image, and in card back we have title and description or any kind of text that we can add here. So this is the structure that we have, a very basic HTML structure for our gallery. Now we will see CSS. The whole play is in CSS itself. So first of all I will explain why our gallery is floating inside in the middle of our page. So okay, so we have a body, and for body we have added some CSS properties here. So first is display flex. So our entire body have a display property as flex, and justify content center and align item center. If you know how flex works, so when we add these two properties, whatever content we have inside the flex will float in the middle vertically and horizontally as well. The minimum height given is 100 vertical height, so VH. Our body will take the entire space, that visible space of our screen, and the background is added as black. That's why our body is looking like this. Okay, so our gallery content, our gallery div also have flex property. So this is our gallery, and it have two card divs. So when gallery have display flex property and gap is 20, that's why our two cards are floating like this, as well as they have gap of 20 px that you can see here. And then comes card class. So each card class have fixed width and height and perspective. This perspective is new property in CSS, which tells us that this property itself gives a 3D depth to our card. Okay, so card inner. In card inner, the entire play is happening for flipping. So transition, okay, we can see height and width is given and position is relative. That is okay. So the main is transition. The transition property that is here is, it tells us that the transform action that will happen on card inner will take 0.8 second, and the transform style will preserve the 3D effect that we are giving here to the card. Okay, so the transition is transition will happen on transform property. So we have mentioned the transform property or on card inner here. So whenever we will hover on the card inner will transform itself and rotate 180 degrees. As we can see, our card rotates 180 degrees and transform itself. The transformation doesn't happen immediately, it happens over the period of time. So the period is 0.8 seconds. So this is how the transform happens. And card front and card back. So card front position is absolute, so it will float inside our card inner. Same for card back. The position absolute with 100%. It will take the entire space, 100% width and height. Backspace visibility hidden. So whenever that card is not on the front side, it is flipped back side, it will be hidden. It will not be visible unless and until it is flipped. And the border radius, overflow hidden, all these things are okay. Card front image object width property and width and height is given. And card back, the card back is rotated. it is rotated 180 degrees, so it is not on front. So at first we cannot see card back because it is rotated, and as we have given the property backspace visibility hidden, so the card back is not visible at first. So whenever we hover on this, the card flips 180 degrees and our backside card is visible, and our front side card is hidden. So this is how the flip effect works. So the main thing here is transition property. Transition property is telling us that the transform is happening over 0.8 seconds, and why this transform happens whenever we hover over the card. So the hover effect is given here on card, and we hover over it, and the inner card transforms itself and rotate 180 degrees, and when it rotates, our front and back card visibility is flipping or alternating, and that's why at one time we can only see one card. So this is how it works. I hope you have understood it properly. The both things are working for image as well as text, as you can see here. Okay, I hope you understood it properly. Thank you.